Looking for a fabulous diabetic dinner that's ready in under 30 minutes? I got you covered. Come on. We can't have dinner without ingredients, and these are insanely simple. Of course, you can get these ingredients at your Walmart, Kroger, Aldi, and hey, tell me what your favorite grocery store is in the comments. But first, we start off with our pesto. Now, you see the pesto, I look on the label, I make sure the sugar is under 1. My goal in clinic is to keep that sugar under 5. We have a tomato, shredded mozzarella cheese, which you see I've gotten at Aldi, and a pound of chicken defrosted. We don't need a lot of supplies. Grab your sheet pan. You can see mine is as old as the road, and it's definitely older than my kids, maybe even older than my marriage. A cutting board, non-stick aluminum foil, measuring spoons, and a measuring cup. Crank that oven to 400 degrees. Now, I love these sheet pan meals, but they are a little ugly, but I still keep it. I'm not gonna throw away anything that doesn't work, so go ahead, get a little upset with me. The trick is to put some non-stick aluminum foil on top of it. I grab my tongs and I'm gonna place that chicken breast on top of that non-stick aluminum foil. Remember, 4 ounces of chicken is about 31 grams of protein, and it is protein that keeps our blood sugar stable. Then you could see I grab that jar of pesto. Now, yay, I was able to open the jar quite quickly, and I'm using between 3 tablespoons and a 1/4 cup of pesto. I want about a full tablespoon that's gonna go on top of the chicken. If you didn't grow up pesto, like I didn't grow up eating pesto at all, my husband actually introduced it to me when we were dating a long time ago, and I was like, this is awesome. It's made with olive oil, it's made with basil. It is incredibly delicious. So if you're new to pesto, definitely try it. I measured out a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, and we're gonna slice that tomato into thin slices. Remember, gang, that medium tomato, 18 calories, 3.9 grams of carb, and 1.2 grams of fiber. I want y'all to remember that tomatoes are fine in cooking. So many folks are afraid of the carbs in tomatoes, and please know they are a wonderful, wonderful item. And if you're wondering who I am, hey, I'm Dietitian Shelly. During the day, I run a clinic for weight loss, diabetes control, insulin resistance, hormone control, and at night I try to make these really fun, great recipes for myself and my family. So please, if that's you, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. You see that the chicken is in on the pan, and I'm layering the pesto on top of it. Pesto only for this first part. You're gonna place it then in your oven and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the thinness of your chicken. When it is done, you're gonna remove it. You're gonna layer the tomato and the cheese on top of it. You're gonna put it back in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes. I don't like to broil it, keep it in the oven, because I don't wanna dry out that chicken. This is an amazing dinner. It is done right at the 30-minute mark, so it's perfect for a weeknight meal. And if you forgot the ingredients or the recipe, you can scroll in the description box. And hey, remember to scroll it down and get 2 items. My 7-day meal plan that is perfect for weight loss and lowering your blood sugars, as well as some easy freezer meals for diabetics. Gang, I'm Dietitian Shelly. Hope you have a good one.